Among those who immigrated and came to settle near Baha'u'lláh was the bookbinder Muhammad Hadi. This noted man was from Isfahan, and as a binder and illuminator of books, he had no peer. When he gave himself up to the love of God, he was alert on the path and fearless. He abandoned his home and began a dreadful journey, passing with extreme hardship from one country to another until he reached the Holy Land and became a prisoner. He stationed himself by Baha'u'llah's residence, carefully sweeping the outside of it and keeping watch. Through his constant efforts, the square in front of Baha'u'llah's house was at all times swept, sprinkled, and immaculate. Baha'u'llah would often glance at that plot of ground, and then he would smile and say, "Muhammad Hadi has turned the square in front of this prison into the bridal bower of a palace. He has brought pleasure to all the neighbors and earned their thanks." When his sweeping, sprinkling, and tidying was done, he would set to work illuminating and binding the various books and tablets. So his days went by, his heart happy in the presence of the beloved of mankind. He was an excellent soul, righteous, true, worthy of the bounty of being united with his Lord, and free of the world's contagion. He was a man short of stature, lofty of station and mind. His heart was pure, his soul luminous. During all those days when he served the holy threshold, he was loved by the friends and favored by God. From time to time, a smile on his lips, Baha'u'llah would speak to him, expressing kindness and grace. Muhammad Hadi was loyal always, and he accounted all things other than God's good pleasure as fiction and fable, nothing more. Blessed is he for this gift bestowed upon him. Glad tidings to him for the place to which he shall be led. May it do him good, this wine cup tempered at the camphor fountain, and may all his strivings meet with thanks and be acceptable to God. Muhammad Hadi sounds like a man who ended up living a life more fulfilled and joyful than most so-called accomplished people today. The world standard of success and accomplishment is usually centered on power, material wealth, social status, and accolades. In the world's eyes, a person who spends his days sweeping floors, binding books, and living as a prisoner should be miserable and depressed, a failed man. However, the life Muhammad Hadi lived was contrary to that notion. Sure, in healthy amounts, physical comfort and recognition may contribute to a happy and fulfilled life. However, individuals like Muhammad Hadi remind us that there is something deeper and more profound that gives true joy and fulfillment. Something that transcends material wealth and social status. And that something, which is accessible to all men, can be found in the pursuit of the attributes of God in our lives. Pursuing attributes such as loyalty, justice, compassion, purity, love, kindness, and a myriad of other attributes through God and His manifestations will infuse one with a joy and peace that no earthly treasure will ever compare to, and that no calamity will ever remove. So let us not get bogged down and consumed by the complicated pursuits of material and social success. Let us live a balanced life with an understanding of what truly gives inner joy and peace. For the simple things in life, more often than not, produce the most wonderfully complex results.